Hi and welcome to today's video where we'll be taking a look at gear cables. On the face of it, gear cables don't look like much, but a well-engineered low-friction gear cable kit can transform your bike's gearing from hesitant and clunky shifts to a smooth and precise setup with seamless gear shifts. The job of the gear outer housing is that it has to resist compression when shifting, as a shortening of the outer housing will affect shifting accuracy, but it also has to be compliant and flexible enough to wrap around the tight bends of your bike. Gear inner wires have an equally hard life, as these are held under constant tension and have to resist stretching. On top of this, there needs to be as little friction as possible between the gear inner and outer housings. Shortcomings in any of these areas will just end up in a setup that will never work to its full potential. Before we take a look at our gear kit, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. Our cable kits have been designed for use with mountain bike and road bike 1x gear cable setups, but can also be used on cable operated dropper seat posts. These come supplied with all the parts you need to upgrade both the performance and look of your standard OEM cables, with a choice of colours allowing you to mix and match both the outer housing and sealed alloy ferrule colour to perfectly match the look of your bike. One of the key elements in the Performance Series gear cable kits is our stainless steel gear inner wires. These are pre-stretched wires that feature an ultra-smooth flat outer surface for the ultimate in slick low friction shifting performance, topped off with a self-lubricating PTFE outer coating which offers an increased service life with weatherproof protection. Compared to a normal wound gear cable, you can see from this setup how much extra resistance there is when running a standard gear wire. When you consider a Shimano gear system uses a 2:1 cable pull ratio, meaning for every 1mm of cable pulled by the shifter, the rear derailleur has to move double this amount, so the amount of cable drag is effectively doubled. The inner wires have a diameter of 1.1mm and a length of 2 meters, so can be used for either front or rear derailleurs and can be purchased as part of our gear cable kit or separately. Our lightweight compressionless housings use a Kevlar fibre overbraid for maximum flexibility and come fitted with a pre-lube liner that uses a low friction silicone grease for an increase in shifter slickness, increased service life and all-weather protection, and has an outer diameter of 4mm. Again, this can be purchased as part of a kit or separately. The other upgrade we made is to the ferrules that go on either end of the gear cable outer housing. These are often just made from basic standard plastic. With no way of protecting the cable housing from the elements, these can easily let dirt and water into the outer housing, which quickly causes resistance between the inner and outer cables, which will make the derailleur increasingly more hesitant to drop down into the higher gears. Our sealed alloy ferrules are used to prevent this from happening by using a custom brass insert which houses a seal washer, offering protection from dirt and crud without creating any additional drag on the inner wire. If you have any questions or comments on anything you've seen in this video, then please leave them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.